Hi, my name is Chuck Bryant. I'm with Fuller Ford. I just want to show you some commercial inventory we have in stock currently. This is set up on an E-450 frame, so you remember our Econoline, been around for decades. They still make it in this configuration. We can add a box. This is a 16-foot Rockport box. This is on a dual rear wheel. It has a roll-up rear door. This one does not have a ramp. We do a lot of ramps, do a lot of towing. On the inside, we can upfit it with plywood, tie downs, rows of E-track, any number of things, but this is just a sample of something that we generally keep in stock all the time. Keep in mind that we do free oil changes as long as you own the van. So if you have this van for 10, 15 years, you never have to pay for an oil change. That's when you buy out of our stock or you factory order one. Thank you and keep tuned. We'll keep posting videos as we get the inventory in. Thank you.